Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make drafts on the listing page. So we're gonna go from the home page. We're gonna go over to the sell tab. So we could go to Sellers Hub. And then right here on the Sellers Hub, right here where it says create listing on the top right, what we're gonna do is, instead of single listing, we're gonna go with multiple listings. Create multiple listings, and as you can see, you got one right here. And the cool thing about this is you could kind of like set up say like today I have a whole lot of shorts. I have a whole lot of kid shorts that I have to list, and for the most part a lot of it's going to be the same details, roughly the same price, or maybe shipping. So a lot of things are going to be similar, so it would make sense, instead of making a single listing over and over and over again, um, I'll just go ahead and make one listing and copy it a bunch of times. That way I could pretty much do most of the details at once. So right here, we'll start with category. First category, we'll go with clothing, since I have kids clothing. It's for the most part it's like boy shorts. So we'll go into that one. Boys clothing, suit, socks, shorts. There you go, shorts. Okay, so here's our first category right here. And if you wanted to do a second one, they're gonna charge you a fee, but you don't really need more than one category, so we're just gonna leave it at the one. And then my store categories, that's pretty cool. It already like set them up for me: apparel and shorts. So here we go. It's updating. So now we got shorts and clothing and shoes for kids. Okay, cool. Title, we'll fix that later. Fixed price, we don't want to do, well, I don't want to do auction. We could leave it at fixed price, unless you want auction, of course you could choose that. Buy it now price, I'm just gonna write $8, $8. I don't know what I'm actually charge for each one, but I'll just leave it at 8, or you can leave it at 0 if you want. We'll leave it empty. Handling time, the handling time is the amount of days you're gonna take to actually ship out whatever the product it is you're selling. So say they buy it today, are you gonna ship it out the same day? Or if they buy today, are you gonna take like 1 day, 2, 5, maybe 40 days to ship the item? Then you go ahead and mark it right here according to you, like how you run your business. Me, I prefer to have 1 business day. So if anything that sells today, I could either ship it out today or tomorrow the latest. Condition, all of these shorts are gonna be pre-owned. So you could go ahead and choose right here, pre-owned. Condition description, we'll go ahead and say pre-owned. I'll just leave it right there. Washed, cleaned, and pre-packaged. So that's gonna actually show up on the listing, and we'll look at that later. So now we'll go over to the right. By the way, all these columns right here, yours might be a little bit different than mine's, and that's just because I customized mine's. So you could always add another column, or you could remove a column. Also, you could switch it around. So title, you could put it however you want. Format, like I said, you could add extra columns. So if yours looks different than mine, is because I customized it to how I actually have it set up, how usually the information I pre-set up. I have a highlighter right here, or selected. Custom SKU, duration, quantity. Let's see. So it has all these options. You could select whichever one or unselect whichever one. Item category, offers, sell it faster, fees. There you go. So like I said, yours might look different, and all it is, you could just organize it however you want. So right here we got condition, shipping, buyer pays $3.99. Okay, 30-day returns, apparel, store category. item specifics. So like I said, we're selling shorts. So it's gonna be a bunch of different brands. So I'm gonna leave this empty. Color, different colors. Department. Let's see what department has. It's gonna be all boys. The more that search can narrow down to your item. So we'll go item description. Right here, you're gonna put, usually the item description, you're gonna put the name of the item you have, and then anything else you want to add to the description. Like let me see. I already have something laid out over here. Pants and shorts, specs. Okay, copy and paste. Poof. What I did right here was I just copied all this information. I already had it on a note somewhere else. Let me see if I could show it. Let me see if I could show it. Yeah. So all I did is I have all these notes on Google Keep. They're like templates. You could say they're kind of like templates. So I'll just click on this one. It says pants and shorts. And I'll just go ahead and highlight everything. Copy it. I'm going to move this to the side. And then I pasted it. So, I mean, this is really helpful when you make more listings. When every time you're listing, you probably don't want to write or you definitely don't want to write this over again, like individually over and over, like all these words. I do not want to retype. If I'm going to keep reusing these things, I'm just going to copy this somewhere and just keep copy and pasting however needed. I know there's templates on here, but for the most part, I kind of usually like having these templates on like my Google Keep Notes, because when I use the mobile app, I could just copy it like on a separate app and switch over to the eBay app or whatever, and then just paste it. So promotional discounts, I'm gonna put this on a promotion. So I put this on there. Shipping, by the way, I'm gonna put this in bold. And then, okay, so my return policy, shipping, promotional discounts. I like what I see. And then I'm gonna leave space up here for the name of the item. Done. Okay, that's item description. Now, what I'm gonna do is kids shorts, pre-owned, or I'm gonna write used kids shorts. There you go. Used kids shorts, pre-owned. So okay, I like what I see. Everything looks fine. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna check this box, and I'm gonna click copy a listing. So saving in progress. Please wait until drafts finish saving. Got it. I guess it didn't save. So we'll copy a listing. How many copies do you want to make? The short. So I'm gonna say 14 copies because I already have the one that I made, and I want 14 more. So whatever you have plus 14 more copies. So we'll make a copy, 14 copies. And here you go, watch. Oh, there it says 15 of 15. There you go. Now you have 15 copies of the same one. And like I said, they're all shorts. They're all going to be used kids shorts. I'm going to make sure I let them know it's pre-owned. Fixed price. They're all going to be fixed price, not auctions. Now the prices of the shorts, most likely some might be a little bit different than others. So I left this empty. All of them, why is that still highlighted? All of them is the same handling time, 1 business day. Condition is pre-owned. Watch this. Edit. Remember what I wrote on the last one? They're all going to have the same information. Same information. You don't have to do it again. All of them are the same shipping price, $3.99. Apparel, item specifics. If you see that, 2 completed on all of them. They're all the same. Item or edit description. This is what I copy and pasted earlier. And now, let me see. I'm gonna show you one more. See? You just copy it over to all of them. I don't know, it has extra space. Maybe I did too many spaces right there. Okay, now that that's done, I like what I see. I'll go ahead and now we can save for later because we still don't have pictures and we still have to finish a lot of the details. And for the most part, you could do all that here, but save for later. I'm gonna save this all for later. So I'm saving my 15 drafts. And now I'm gonna go to drafts right here under listings. And now I got all my drafts. And there you go. Hopefully that helps you guys with drafts. If you guys want to see more with drafts, just let me know.